Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Cool Things to Buy. Dear viewers, again I come with another amazing product which is Dragon Touch Gaming Portable Monitor for PS4. The Dragon Portable Gaming Monitor has display of 15.6 inch. This amazing portable monitor is about as compact as they come. It's available on Amazon in just $299.99. It measures less than half an inch thick, which makes it very easy to slip into your laptop bag or carry-on bag. Moreover, it weighs just 1.70 lbs, so it does not add a whole lot of extra weight. As a result, it's an excellent choice for frequent flyers. This 15.6-inch 4K UHD IPS monitor has resolution of 3840x2160, providing breathtaking picture quality. Low blue light eye care technology in the 4K gaming monitor reduces eye strain. This amazing monitor sports 100% sRGB color gamut and has contrast ratio of 1000:1. This portable 4K USB-C monitor delivers vivid images, brilliant colors, smooth motions, and incredible lifelike detail, so you can enjoy an enhanced experience while gaming or watching videos or movies. This portable LCD monitor uses an advanced IPS panel with low blue light eye care technology that minimizes blue light to reduce eye strain. The wide 178-degree horizontal view allows for a clear view from every angle for the best possible picture quality. This unique monitor also supports free synchronizing and HDR technology. This HDR technology restores the real picture, stronger contrast, more dynamic range, and image details to make the image layered, delivers you an awesome viewing experience. Furthermore, it is also equipped with mini HDMI port, 3.5mm headphone jack, and two full-featured USB-C ports. This 4K portable monitor comes with dual built-in stereo speakers that produce immersive 360-degree sound with deep and accurate bass. Along with the best display, the Dragon Touch Gaming Monitor provides an incredible audio-visual experience. The 3.5mm audio jack allows you to connect your favorite headphones or speakers. The sound is well balanced, clear, and easy to understand. The Dragon Touch Gaming Monitor comes with a scratch-proof magnetic cover made of durable PU leather that not only provides comprehensive protection to the monitor but also doubles up an adjustable stand with two grooves at the base for multiple viewing angles. With mini HDMI port, 3.5mm headphone jack, and two full-featured USB-C ports, this Dragon Touch S1 Pro portable 4K monitor is compatible with most devices such as your Switch, Xbox, PS4, MacBook Pro, or other laptop, PC, phone, and tablets. You can watch it your way, whether you are watching a movie or enjoying a game, or simply scrolling through images. Visa-compatible screw holes allow you to easily mount the Dragon Touch USB Type-C monitor to a compatible monitor arm or stand in landscape or portrait position for a customized viewing experience. This amazing monitor supports mirror screen mode, which increase your productivity and your gaming pleasurable. They get the job done faster. The amazing Dragon Touch portable laptop monitor with 0.34-inch thickness and 1.7 lb weight is extremely light and fits easily into a backpack or suitcase and is ideal for gamers, students, or engineers. This ultra light and slim portable computer monitor with the latest features can be used for work, business, meetings, and for your entertainment needs even when you are on the go. It is super easy to use, literally plug and play. Its accessories included one Dragon Touch S1 Pro portable monitor, one mini HDMI to HDMI cable, two USB-C cable, one wall charger, one smart cover, and one quick start guide.